Hello everyone. Hello guys. Here we are in Nocrich Village in Transylvania, Romania, and we are fighting this quarantine the way we know better. We know how to work in the pottery. We really like to spend time in nature, and here is what we are doing. We wanted to share a bit more about our work with you, because you will not be able to visit us, or we probably will not be able to go to fairs, and we will miss you a lot. We were thinking that it's important maybe to know also who is working in the pottery workshop, how we are doing the posts that you see on the beautiful website, and maybe talk a bit with these people. So hello Camille.
Hello.
And hello Mona. Mona is sleeping, but she's a very, very useful assistant usually.
It's true.
Not now. Camille, can you tell a bit more about yourself?
So I'm a French volunteer. I'm here since 6 months now, so I'm a half of my mission here. I did ceramic studies during 2 years in France, and before this I did 3 years of arts school. So typically I work in the ceramic of Nocrich, and every day I try to improve my skill in ceramic, and it's a very, very long process, and I would like to share with you every process of every step to make a beautiful ceramic of little prints and everything you can find in the website.
Actually, I'm happy that you managed here to also create some of your products, something that you like and it's your style. You can see them on the website, guys. You have this Camille collection. You have some pendants, earrings, but also cups and plates. And they have these little funny stories on them with a bear and a snail and a little girl and the flowers, like super, super cute. Camille, where did you take the inspiration? How did you arrive to these designs?
So before I came here, I draw a lot. I was an illustrator, and I adapt my technique of illustration on the ceramic with the technique we use here, so it's a graffito technique. And I found this inspiration for this collection about our garden. I found a little snail and a plant, and I try to show what we live in Nocrich, in a village place with beautiful nature and animal and insects we have in our garden.
And how about the bear? Where did you find the bear here too?
No, I didn't find the bear.
You will find the bear on the decorations, and you will have this question too, guys.
No, it's like I did this with a bear because when I came in Romania, everybody said to me, "Oh, take care of the bear and stuff," and I never see a bear, of course, and it's better.
You're lucky. It's good that you didn't see a bear, trust me.
So I decided to imagine what life of this bear, like this, I don't know, that invisible bear we have in
life of
Romania,
invisible bear, yeah.
and imagine their life like our life. Like listen music, dancing, eating, everything. And for me it's more fun to imagine them like this. So I did that.
Okay. If you want, you can find the products on the website. And since they were all super different but unique, we decided to post all of them together as a single surprise product. So I am inviting you to be a bit adventurous and order a product, knowing that it's cute but not knowing what type of design it will have. And you will find it when you receive the package. It's not easy, but maybe it's a fun, interesting story for you. And what are you doing now, Camille? What is the pottery process that you are?
So after the pot are turned, I have to clean them before I put the angoba on it. So angoba, it's like the white clay I will put after in the second step. So I have to clean with this special knife for ceramic, all the extra clay I have, and after I use the sponge to just clean fast the clay to just see the beautiful shape of the cup and check if the cup is ready to the angoba process and all the steps after.
And what is this angoba process?
It just I put this white clay, so I take typically the cup and I put in the angoba until here, and I just waiting for drying.
Okay, and can you tell us how long is it from the beginning of the product when you make it on the wheel till the end, till you can see it finished?
I think it's depend of all the product we have and different like shape and stuff. But if I can accumulate them in the same time, let's say, it will be I think like 1 week or two, because you have like this process of firing, like put in the kiln, and it's very long, and it's 12 hours of firing and 2 times. So for the biscuit and after the glaze.
Okay, thank you, Camille. We will continue showing you our pottery steps.
Yes.
We have the glazing, the angobat, the decoration, the wheel, the many others. And if you have any questions, feel free to write in the comment section and we will get back to you. And check our website if you want to support us, our workshop, and many other activities we are trying to do here, educational activities. Please get in contact with us on the internet and we'll tell you more. Thank you guys, and
Bye.
have a nice day. Take care of each other, especially in these times.